Welcome to Mata Mondi Usman YouTube channel. I am Kiran Nagpal, Maths Mistress. Today I am explaining a theorem in such tips and tricks that you will remember it forever. You never find it difficult. I am using to explain this theorem by using tips and tricks, how you can remember it forever. So be attentive and listen me carefully. Today I am explaining you. This is the Thales theorem, or you can say basic proportionality theorem. Thales is the name of mathematician, that is why it is called Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. First you are given statement: if a line is drawn parallel to one side of triangle, intersect the other two sides in two distinct points. I have drawn a triangle ABC. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of triangle, so I draw a line DE parallel to BC. First I draw a triangle ABC in which DE is parallel to BC, intersecting AB line at point D and AC line at point M. Clear? Now the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. We have to prove AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This is to prove. Clear? Now first we will write given according to statement, then we will write to prove according to statement. Now we will do some construction here. We will join DE and CD. Again we will draw perpendicular EN upon AP and DM perpendicular AC. Join BE and CD and draw DM perpendicular AC and EM perpendicular AP. Now we will do proof. How? First, now I am using you how we can learn it forever. This is AD. We have to prove AD upon DB. First we will take that triangle in which side is AD. ADE. So we will take triangle ADE. Again DB. We will take that triangle in which DB is used. This is triangle DBE. Again now triangle ADE. AD is a side. Triangle BDE. BD is a side. This is equal to, area of triangle is equal to half into base into perpendicular, half into. In triangle ADE, AD is base and here EN is perpendicular. Again in triangle BDE, half into, here BD is base and perpendicular is again EN, because EN is perpendicular on the whole side AB. So perpendicular is the same. Half and half is cancel, En is En cancel, here it is AD upon DB. This is your first equation. In the same way, now we will take those two triangles in which AE and EC has a side. Triangle AED, AE is a side, and triangle ECD, again same triangle, area into base is here AE and perpendicular is DM, because DM is perpendicular on AC. Half into, here base is EC and perpendicular DM, it will become AE upon EC. This is your second equation. Now note students that numerator is same but denominator is not the same. So we will, if we do the denominator same, then equation first will be equal to equation second. Area triangle BDE and area triangle DEC. Both triangles are on the same base DE and between the same parallels DE and BC. So their area will also be equal. This is your third equation. Now numerator is same, denominators are also equal. So from equation first, second and third, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC, hence proved.